guys, Jason Osborne. I've been thinking about this video for a little while now. I'm trying to figure out what I exactly wanted to do, and the screen grab really caught my attention, so I think I'm going to do a tutorial. And when it comes to a tutorial, I decided to go with something that might help my fellow students, and that is I am going to go over my other class I'm taking at Emporia State, which is teaching online health and physical education. And I know when I saw the class, it intrigued me because I know that they do offer some jobs of teaching health and physical education online. I just never knew what to do or never knew how to even approach it. But taking this class has really opened up my eyes, and it's a very interesting class, and it's cool to see how everything works and exactly how an online physical education class would work. So without further ado, here we go. And this class is very interesting. Obviously, when I took the class, I thought it was going to be more of how to teach online physical education, like how to. I've been interested in it, kind of, I think some of our classes are going to be more going online here in the near future. So it's been something that I wanted to get into and see something about. I didn't realize what I was going to bite off and chew here. It was one of those elective courses, but it definitely is a difficult course to the extreme of you're going to have to work and put in some hours to get stuff done. Like I said, the instructor is Dr. Kathleen Ermler. She's the dean of the graduate school. These are her things. What makes this class interesting isn't really her page. Obviously, her page is going to be is the same, modules and the syllabus and all that. The thing that makes this class interesting and what she does is she makes you make your own page and do your own class and construct your own course. And how to get to mine is, again, go up here in a course in groups like you normally would. And this is my peer buddy that I look over his class as well. But this is my class, Osborne PE 835. Now this is my home page, and the thing that makes this class really interesting is you really dive into Canvas and you really get to see what kind of experience you can get out of Canvas and what it offers you. I didn't realize how nice everything is when you're working with Canvas and how easy it makes it. This is my home page. This is the introduction to my class. My class is called Core Fitness and Training. And really, I've developed this whole class here. So over the course of the last 6 or so weeks, we've really dove in, and I've really come to understand what goes into an online class. It's not just, oh, read this, read that, here you go. So let me quickly take you to my syllabus. I've constructed a syllabus. That was one of our first assignments. And you go over everything that you expect, obviously, any special requirements you expect for your class, online classroom rules, grades and stuff like that. And then you really get into your modules. And when I want to talk about your modules, now these are all my modules for this class. So we start off with Introduction to Core Fitness. And this would be my week 1 introduction. This is what I would expect all the students to go to and really get to know what this class is about. So you click on Module 1 Introduction, and this is it. I provided a video to introduce myself, introduce what's going on this week. Here are my classroom goals, my learning expectations, and you can always go and do all this through Edit up here, and I can really go in and edit anything I want, and put videos in. Up here on this toolbar, this is what you do to put all the videos in. So this toolbar up here, this is where you put they have different applications you can use. YouTube, you can embed videos, you can embed pictures. But this is where you do all the editing. You can do HTML editor, which she's taught me how to do. And then you can go up here and publish. Well, first you want to go down here, save it, and that allows you, so you come back to this screen. Now, you can always unpublish it. When you unpublish it, that you're the only one that gets to see it. Then you publish it back, and that opens it up for the rest of your class. So, those are the modules. That's the introduction. Now you can, obviously, this is the content page. This is where all the content pages, where all your instructions are going to go and what you do. Now I embed video in here. And you really, that's what the focus is going to be on for that week. I have a quiz. These quizzes are very interesting too, because the quizzes all take place right in the Canvas, and they're very easy to do. You can edit the quiz. You can edit questions. You edit the quiz. You can edit questions, and you can go through and do your questions. If I wanted to edit this question here, I go into edit, and then look up here, you have true, false, fill in the blank, multiple answers. So you really get, you can really do a lot with each thing. But that's how you do a quiz. Let me see what else I have. For my class, I really do an introduction, then my content pages, and a quiz, maybe my physical activity log, which I use myfitnesspal.com for all my activities that need to be done. They go into MyFitnessPal and do that. What I really want to get to is this class, teaching online health and physical education, has been, and these are all my modules. I'm still not done with the class. These are all my different modules that I've created. This is my last one. I'm creating module number 5. That's what I'm doing this week. I haven't published it, as you can see, but that's something that I'm going to get to here this week. But what I really wanted to give you was a heads up on this class. It's a great class, very challenging. It also, leads you into the right direction of teaching online classes and what goes into an online class, what kind of work goes into an online class. But it also teaches you a lot about technology, piggybacking off this class. She deals a lot with technology and what you have to do and what you have to put in each week. There's a special assignment each week where she makes you go into online and bring something from online into your classroom, whether you use it for social or communication reasons. It's really beneficial. So that is my tutorial on teaching health and PE.